Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today's pro tip is going to be, how we use metal edges to finish our termination points in our tile application. So you can see here in this shower, we're using the Schluter edge on this termination point, and we're putting the wide face of it facing outward. And then here we've reversed the profile, and we're just doing it so you see the skinny side of the edge when you're looking in. And the reason why we do that is we want this to be really seamless and look as blended as possible. I know, you can miter the tile, epoxy them, sand it down, and make it look uniform, but not everyone's able to do that, and it's not always necessary. So especially with these new Schluter edges, this is the grayish color, it's the A125, and they have a few different colors and they're textured as well. And the cool thing about this, they match so many different tile color palettes that, once you put it in place, as you can see here, it really, really blends in well. So, and that seam's tight. Once that's in and grouted, your eye isn't really drawn to that metal edge. Now, other bathrooms and other projects we've done, people do want to see that metal detail. So what we'll do is we'll either get it in a color to match the plumbing. So that Schluter makes them in polished nickel, chrome, white, black, whatever, a bunch of different colors. And the other thing is you could do it in white if you have a simple white tile just to make it all blend in. If you don't want to do miters or have the ability to do miters, these edges really, really work out well. And that is today's pro tip, short and sweet. I hope you like this information. If you do, please like and subscribe so we get more content out to you. We'll see you next time.